Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how to connect MacBook to any smart TV. So for this guys, first you need to buy a HDMI cable. So first connect the HDMI cable to a smart TV. Connect the cable to your TV, and now after this connect the type C to your MacBook. Just connect, and after this go to your smart TV. Now here guys, go to inputs. So simply select this HDMI 1. Select here input sources. So now see here guys, your MacBook connected to your smart TV. Let's try to use. Open the apps and close this. Now open the settings. Now close this. Open the app store and try to use this. So guys, it's working very smoothly and perfectly. You can see working very good. So now how to disconnect this? Simply remove the type C cable from your MacBook. Just remove, and after this in your smart TV, go to inputs, select here TV option. Just select this. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.